In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtle dot pattern as a background to your document. This simple design tweak can make your pages visually appealing without being too distracting. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your document. It might be an existing one or a fresh new document, ready for some creative touches. Once you've got your document open, take a look at the ribbon menu across the top of your screen. What you're looking for is the tab labeled Design. Go ahead and click on it. This tab houses a variety of options that allow you to personalize the look and feel of your document, including the option to alter page color. Under the Design tab, direct your attention to the Page Color button. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select Fill Effects. This is the key to accessing a variety of texture and pattern options that can enhance your document's background. Once inside the Fill Effects dialog box, you should see several tabs at the top, but the one that interests us today is the Pattern tab. If you're using an older version of the program, the pathway might look slightly different. You might encounter a patterned option directly within another menu. Whichever way you access it, you'll find a selection of pattern styles once you're on the Pattern tab. The Patterns page should display several design options, and what we're focusing on are any patterns that resemble dots. Commonly, these might be labeled as dots or small dots. Your selection may depend on your taste or the overall aesthetic you're aiming for in your document. The goal is to have a dot pattern that's noticeable yet not overwhelming. Now, let's customize the look of those dots. You'll see options labeled Foreground Color and Background Color. The foreground color is what determines the color of your dots, while the background color controls the color of the page itself. To achieve a subtle and elegant look, you'll want to pick colors that blend well. Perhaps a light gray for your dots and a pale white or cream for the background. The idea is to ensure that the dots are faint, lending just a hint of texture without clashing with your document's text. Once you've finalized your choices, simply click OK. You'll see your document now has a wonderfully subtle dot pattern across the page background. If your intention is for the design to span all the pages in your document, you typically won't need to do anything further. Most versions of the software apply this page color effect across all pages by default, so your entire document should now reflect this stylish upgrade. And there you have it, a delicate dot pattern background that adds a touch of personality to your pages while maintaining readability and professionalism.